Hello everyone. The recent discovery of water molecules on Moon by Chandrayaan-2 has come as a major boost to the Indian scientists. This is because the lander which was part of Chandrayaan-2 did not land during the launch, which was seen as a setback. Let us see what Chandrayaan-2 is. Chandrayaan means mooncraft. Chandrayaan-2 mission was approved by the government in September 2008 for a cost of Rs 425 crore. Chandrayaan-2 was the second lunar exploration mission developed by ISRO after Chandrayaan-1. It was launched on July 22, 2019 using GSLV Mark III, which is India's most powerful launcher. It was launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center. It aims to explore the Moon's south polar region. This mission is an important step in India's plans for planetary exploration under a program known as Planetary Science and Exploration. Chandrayaan-2 had three components, namely 1. Orbiter, which will orbit the Moon at a height of 100 km, which will provide communication between Earth and Chandrayaan-2's lander. 2. Lander, which would land on the Moon's surface. This lander is called as Vikram. The third component is rover, which is a six-wheeled, artificial intelligence powered vehicle named Pragyan. Pragyan means wisdom in Sanskrit. This rover can travel up to 500 meters from the landing spot on the Moon. All of the above parts were developed in India. The launch of orbiter was successful and it is in orbit now. This has a mission life of 7 years. But unfortunately, lander landed harder. It was originally planned to have soft landing on the southern part of Moon. Pragyan rover was planned for a duration of around 14 days. As the landing failed, the rover would not be deployed on the Moon's surface. All experiments have been performing well. The region around southern pole was selected because there is possibility of presence of water. In addition, the South Pole region contains clues to the fossil records of earlier solar systems. Thus, it can improve our understanding of the earlier solar system as well. The recent discovery of water molecules is from the orbiter, which was launched successfully. ISRO has also planned for Chandrayaan-3, which will be the successor to the Chandrayaan-2 mission, and it will likely attempt another soft landing on the lunar surface. As per ISRO, the total cost of Chandrayaan-3 mission will be over Rs 600 crores. By this, ISRO hopes to be the first country to soft land in the southern hemisphere of Moon. Thank you.